Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about hypothesis testing. Hypothesis is a statement or a claim to be tested in scientific research. It allows us to predict about a population from the data collected, that is sample to generalization. There are different stages in hypothesis testing. First stage is to frame hypothesis based on population parameter. The one may be null hypothesis, that null means nothing or neutral or no difference or equal. If there is no difference, it is automatically equal, and it is denoted as HO. And alternative hypothesis, there is a difference or not equal, which is denoted as H1. The second stage of hypothesis is to fixing the level of significance. It may be 5% or 1%, which is universally accepted level. The remaining is 95% or 99% as a confidence interval. That is the difference between population parameter and sample statistics. And third stage is to calculate the sample statistic value. Then fourth stage is to take the decision. As we learned through our curriculum, the decision was made if calculated value is less than table value, we accept null hypothesis, otherwise we reject the null hypothesis. But in software like Excel, SPSS or Minitab, etc., the programming pattern is different from the manual calculation. So we denote the significance level by p-value. That is, if p-value is greater than 5%, we accept null hypothesis or we reject it. And finally, we interpret the decision. And there are different types of hypothesis testing. One is one sample t-test, comparing a claim with actual score. A claim is nothing but a common statement of a particular class or country or thing. Say for example, the class average is 65. We want to test that. We take some number of students as a sample and comparing the 65 as a claim of the class and actual marks scored by every student. The second testing is dependent sample test or paired t-test, the comparing two effects of a sample variable, that is before and after. Say for example, the number of tests before and after corona pandemic. Third test, independent two sample t-test, comparing means of two groups about a variable. Say for example, gender, male and female. The mean score of male and female are equal about a particular variable score. And fourth is Anova, analysis of variance, comparing means of more than two groups about a variable. A variable may have more than two groups. like age. The age may be different categories, that is less than 30 years, between 30 to 40 years, between 40 to 50 years, and above 40 years, etc.